Hi there, welcome to your own series of JEE Advanced previous year question. One question every day. Drop and drop makes an ocean. So let's create ocean of questions, the previous year questions for JEE Advanced. The better the response, more questions we will pick up. But for now, let's pick up one question one day. Question number 1, day 1. Let's get started. Okay, the question 1. You can see that what you have out here is compounds P and R upon ozonolysis produce Q and S respectively. The molecular formula of Q and S is C8H8O. Q undergoes Cannizzaro, that's a big hint, okay? But not haloform reactions, whereas S undergoes haloform reaction but not Cannizzaro. So I hope you could decode what is written. When you have such a question, always write that this one, Cannizzaro, yes, but when it comes to haloform, no. This one, haloform, yes, Cannizzaro, no, right? What is the moral of the story from here? Moral of the story is very simple, right? That when we talk about haloform, there has to be a CH3CO group present, right? So this is not present in our compound Q, whereas it is present in our compound S, right? The other thing, the Cannizzaro reaction is given by molecules. So Cannizzaro, when I'm talking about molecules with no alpha hydrogen, right? So this is what we have to predict. Let's get started. Do not forget the concept of matching the molecular formula. That is something that student fails to understand. So we are doing ozonolysis. These are the options. Let's get started. This is a JEE Advanced 2017 question. Good question to begin with. Ozonolysis pe pakka sawal aayega. So if you see the first molecule, if I make, right, CH3, C double bond O and H, and the other molecule that you will get, I'm not interested in the side molecule as of now. You can draw it if you want. So just break the double bond and put oxygens on both the sides. That's how your concept should be of ozonolysis. Ozonolysis, 100% there's going to be one question. So brace yourself for that. By the way, I'm sure the same thing can be done here also for the other one. So if you do that, our molecule that we will get is going to look like this, COCH3. So do not forget to count the total number of carbons. 6, 7, 8, 8 carbons here and 1 oxygen. Here also 6, 7, 8, 8 oxygen, 8 carbons and 1 oxygen. This is what is written, C8H8O. You can count the hydrogens also. So A looks a perfect answer because the compound number 1 is going to give us Cannizzaro as there is no alpha hydrogen, but it will not give us haloform as there is no CH3CO group, whereas the other one has CH3CO group which will give us the test for haloform but not the test for Cannizzaro. So A has to be the answer. Let's check B. So when you do B, put the oxygens, this is what you will get. CH3, C double bond OH, and the other one that you will get right above my head is going to look like this, C double bond O CH3. Again, you can see that this molecule, if you're breaking, you're getting a CH3CO group, which is certainly going to give you the haloform test. Whereas the first one that you're getting, you can see that there is no alpha hydrogen. So B is also correct. Perfect. It's certainly an MSQ, multiple select question. Okay, next one. If you see here also, what we have, the first molecule that is again not having alpha hydrogen, so it will give us a test for Cannizzaro like required. But the other one, if you see, there is a CH3 here, right? Then CO and CH3. If you count, the carbons are enhancing. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 carbons. But do not forget we want C8H8O. So C cannot be your answer. Let's check the similar stuff for D. Again, if you see the first one is okay. This doesn't have alpha hydrogen. So it will give us a test. But this one again, if you see, if you put two oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again, you're ending up getting 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 carbons. That's not the molecular formula expected. So D again cannot be the answer. So students ended up giving all 4 as the right answer in the simple question like this, where all you had to do was ozonolysis and check for haloform and Cannizzaro, all 3 named reactions. Moral of the story, named reactions are important. Moral of the story, you have to know the technique, simple technique. Moral of the story, decode every single statement. Moral of the story, make sure your rough work is neat. I'm going to meet tomorrow with another question, brilliant question of JEE Advanced. Till then, take a good care of yourself, and how you are finding this approach, do let me know in the comments below. Bye-bye.